Just a way to change the clutch cable on this, because on Sunday it wasn't disengaging all the time. It's been frayed anyway, it's been on borrowed time, but what I'm doing is I've got it one started up. I've got my foot, got my hand on the gear stick, and I'm putting my foot in the clutch to see when, it's right when it's at the bottom is when you get to select the gear. So I've been meaning to do this for a while. I don't want to I'm going to actually switch it off now, because I don't. Give you that first. I don't want it to get too warm when I'm working on it. I'll get that jacked up and the cable off it. I've got fitting this new one. I'm going to get some axle stands. Out the front, I've got the Escort jacked up. And I'm just removing this clutch cable. I've got it disconnected at both sides. Got it disconnected. I didn't even have to slacken it off, it was that slack. I managed to manipulate it off. And I've got a new one. I've got a Group 4 one to go on. This one, I can see it, the story is it. It's still tied on somewhere. It is, there's a fucking tie still on underneath there at the bottom of that. Wind, right. And it's frayed there, this one. At the end, oh, that's just a plastic coating coming off, but and I said there isn't any point adjusting it, just change it. It's actually not as bad as what I thought it would be, this one. That stuff seems to have held it up, so I'll keep this as a spare. Normally they're all burst, it's burst a bit. It melts and then the inner sticks, but take that bit off. Right. It's windy as hell. I'm not going to try and put the new one on the new. I'm going to wait till the wind died down a bit, because I need to take the view off to get new access. I want somebody to check the axle stand first, so I do. So I'm going to put the bonnet down there. What I'm also going to do is get somebody to check the bulkhead's no split. I don't think it is. I've felt all in about it where the cable goes in. Yeah. Aye. I'm going to shove this cable on. The wind's not dying down any at all, so I'll just work with it. See how it goes. I'm still at my clutch cable. Now, I've got it all connected up and tried it. It actually seems alright, but I'm just wondering if I should disconnect it again and put it around that side of the alternator bracket. I think it would go in there better. That would head it away for the exhaust. I think I'll do that. I'll put it around the back of the alternator there, that bracket. Is that the alternator? Aye, yeah. Before it went right the way around it, but it's a slightly shorter cable this, so aye, I'll do that. I'll disconnect it again. What will I do? And put it in there. We'll get there. Try on error. Right, new cable's on. It's not finally adjusted, but I've taken up the slack. Where is the fucking thing? That's it there. Cable. I've not got this finally on, this heat shield stuff, because I need to grease it, but I'll sort that out later. I'll just check to see if I've got gears. I'll finally adjust it. Can't work at this point, it's driving crackers. I'll get it off the jack, I'll say, and then I'll sort that heat shield with the shrink later, that heat stuff. I'm just looking at this old cable. It's nearly not bad at all. It's a bit purple there. I could do it, it's only in the outer bits. Yeah, so that bit's it's just actually the plastic at the very end. It's frayed there. It's not an actual wire. I don't think. Maybe it's actually the wire there. Doesn't matter, innit? Probably got a bit of adjustment. Oh, it's just need to change. No matter, it's all good.